Bumbling Tourist proudly presents
Sushi, Shinkansen, Sakura, and Sake!
An exploration of friendship and misadventures in Japan crammed into a series of easily digestible vloggy vlogs for the whole family.
I think this angle is going to look pretty cool.
Yeah, the shingles look amazing.
It'll look like the camera's being held by a tiny mouse running around the rooftop.
You can get to the Geisha district on foot or on the Kanazawa loop bus. Higashi Chayagai means Eastern Tea House District. This district was established just outside the city limits, as was the tradition.
Two traditional geisha tea houses still exist and are open to the public.
The Geisha district of Kanazawa was established in 1820 as an entertainment district.
The wooden townhouses and cobblestone streets were designed for the descendants of the samurai.
Oh guys, this is magical.
Yeah.
Everything in Japan's magical.
Hard not to walk through someone's photo down the street like this, though.
Why'd the wiggling stop?
Stop objectifying him.
Wiggle.
No, piece of
Wiggle. Doo-doo. It's a wooden bridge. I didn't notice that.
And here we are at a castle.
Not there yet.
Is it Kanazawa Castle? These are just castle walls, they're not the castle. Uh-oh, there she blows. There's a castle over there. wonder how well that shows up. It looks bigger in person than it does on screen. Perhaps I'll wait till we're a bit closer to film more.
From 1583 to the end of the Edo period, Kanazawa Castle was the seat of power for the second most powerful clan in Japan, the Maeda clan.
You can visit the grounds of the castle for free. However, if you wish to enter the storehouses, there is an entrance fee.
You can access the castle on the Kanazawa Loop bus line, or on foot from the Geisha district in about 15 minutes.
What I miss? Action shot. Action shot. Action shot.